Latest numbers, the state now has nearly 900 confirmed cases. It comes from the official coronavirus website. 9 people have died. Blaine County still has the most with 351 cases. Governor Brad Little is suspending some rules during this pandemic. CBS 2's Kristen McPeak is live with why he says this will make life easier for Idahoans right now.
Yeah, Brian, Governor Little has suspended more rules to increase telehealth access. Now, telehealth is something that provides resources for healthcare either digitally over the phone or from a distance. Now, he is also easing licensing for medical professionals who are combating the coronavirus. Now, the big question here is what will happen after his 21-day stay-at-home order? Well, he talked about this on Idaho Public Television last night, and he said it could be a while.
Until we have a vaccine, until we have immunity, until we have good treatments, something's going to have to take place after the 15th. But it depends upon the science that's out there. Life will not go back to normal for a long time.
Northwest Nazarene University is helping medical workers during the coronavirus pandemic. CBS 2's Trevor Fay spoke with university engineers about their solution to the protective equipment shortage.
This is not your ordinary personal protective equipment. It may look the same, but it's made by a 3D printer. For Bryce Allen, a manager at NNU, this is only the beginning.
Well, for those that are on the front lines, everyone here at NNU is really praying very, very hard for them. We're praying for their safety.
Their goal is to help close the gap between what medical professionals have and what they need in the fight against COVID-19. That means making dozens of headbands for these face masks. Boise State is providing the shield part of the mask and helping distribute the finished product.
So instead of having lots of little distribution points, it makes more sense to have one entity be the collector of all of those items. And so they're the collection point.
From there, the masks are sent to local hospitals, and Allen says the equipment meets all of the safety standards for normal medical gear. He and his team at NNU, along with other groups across the Treasure Valley, are working to supply that gear.
We're here to let people know that we care about them, their resources, to be just a part. In this particular, this is just one small part of a really large organization, a really large effort.
It takes about 4 hours to produce 2 face mask headbands. The NNU team is running their 3D printer around the clock, and their first goal is to make over 100 headbands to send off. In Boise, Trevor Fay, CBS 2 News.
Well, there's a disturbing trend in child abuse. The Idaho Children's Trust Fund says that they are seeing an increase in the number of child abuse reports. CBS 2's Erica Lee takes a closer look at that problem.
Due to stay-at-home orders, families are living in closer quarters than usual. Naturally, family issues can arise from stress.
Family issues, you want your kid to study, and your child doesn't want to do that. You want your child to, be on a schedule, and he or she doesn't want to do that. And those things, really create a lot of stress on families.
Roger Sherman, executive director of Idaho Children's Trust Fund, says the way businesses adjust expectations on their employees can make a big difference.
They can be more flexible about hours. They can be more flexible about requirements. Do you have to do that meeting? Could we put that off? Some of these things are difficult. But the world is not the same as it was 2 weeks ago.
Parents should also remember to give themselves a break.
The most important thing for a parent, in a lot of ways, is to keep their stress level down by taking care of themselves, by doing some self-care. Maybe even people do meditation, they do yoga, they do some exercise. All of those things do help because they help take down your stress level. And as you're dealing with your child, you can deal with them in a calm and rational way.
Erica Lee, CBS 2 News.